Well, a state official who plays a role in deciding if utility companies can raise prices they charge to you is rejecting calls for him to recuse himself from a case. We told you earlier this week, OG&E wants Corporation Commissioner Todd Hyatt right there removed from cases and construction projects involving their company. They say recent remarks made by Hyatt raised concerns about his ability to remain impartial, they say. Hyatt addressed OG&E's recusal request this afternoon, and News 4's Tanner DeLeon was there. Tanner, bring us up to date.
Well, it got a little heated at moments, but Hyatt point blank said he will not be recusing himself and said he is just doing his job, while OG&E is trying to intimidate him and keep him silent.
I won't apologize for doing what my oath of office and the others' oath of office and the state constitution requires of us, and that is to provide oversight of regulated monopoly rates.
Corporation Commissioner Todd Hyatt explaining why he will not step back from decisions involving OG&E after the company argued he should.
I will not recuse from this case.
In their filing, attorneys for OG&E point to Hyatt's comments in past meetings, including this one November 13th.
I was just shocked to see the monopoly utility swoop in after the record is closed and after a robust hearing. The company swoops in and completely rewrites the order that the commission has put together. They're trying to capture this regulatory body, utilize this regulatory body through an order to promote propaganda. And this order should be rejected on those grounds alone.
Hyatt was discussing OG&E's request to build 2 new natural gas turbines at a power plant in Oklahoma County. The cost, $506 million, would be passed on to customers. Hyatt saying Thursday,
Oklahoma is very fortunate to have a company like OG&E that's financially strong. Even if the assertions of OG&E were true, the law is very clear, and it's been confirmed in proceedings before the Supreme Court, that bias in legislative cases does not require recusal.
OG&E officials were at the meeting, but were unable to address why they say Hyatt should recuse himself.
Quite frankly, I believe I should have been given an opportunity to address it on the record earlier.
Commissioners have been asked to reconsider OG&E's request. Both the Oklahoma Industrial Energy Consumers and AARP argue it is not in the best interest of consumers.
They will not result in electric rates that are the lowest reasonable cost for Oklahoma ratepayers.
The commission, as was argued this morning, has a constitutional and statutory duty to safeguard the public's interest with regard to utility rates to ensure that the rates charged by the utility are the lowest reasonable rates.
OG&E was able to say why they do not believe their request should be reconsidered.
Approval of Horseshoe Lake 13 and 14 is supported by substantial evidence, and OG&E's selection of these new natural gas projects are both prudent and reasonable.
But the board ultimately decided to leave a final decision for another day.
This meeting is adjourned.
However, at the end, the board did not say when they will make that decision.